Here's the app called ThaiCupid, Thai dating and chat, date singles from Thailand. So here is the app, meet Thai singles. Don't wait for a match, chat instantly, verified accounts for safe connections. Make a perfect match in few swipes, chat and date within your area and worldwide. Subscribe to get more. Thai dating app trusted by over 3 million singles. Thai women and men from all over the world on ThaiCupid dating app, one of the largest Thai dating sites for singles. It's a dating site for singles in Thailand and expats living abroad. So that's basically the idea of this app. I don't know how legit is this, and then you can just see it like that and start using it. I don't know how, again, like, let's check some reviews. Fraud. And then after being so yeah, this is obviously not an app for dating anyone outside of Thailand because there are just not enough profiles. But that's just what it is.